So first you have to save the template so that you don't have to every time enter your indicators. First indicator that we are using is stochastic RSI, and then we are using is exponential moving average. Once you are done with this, you turn the chart on 3 minute or whatever time it is, but turn the chart on 3 minute and change exponential moving average to 13. Your stochastic RSI setting will be same, but you have to change EMA to 13 EMA. This is exponential moving average. And then you have to click on this button, indicator template, and save indicator template. And then here you can write like expiry scalping, and you can say remember interval. So it will, whenever you apply this indicator template, it will remember this 3 minute time frame and it will apply these two indicators on any chart. So now let's say I'm deleting all this thing and I'm watching my Nifty chart on 5 minute, and I have some random indicator like let's say money flow index, open interest, etc. Right now I have this, but now I'm watching this, but I want to now turn this chart with indicator. So I cannot every day or every few times, every time I can find the indicator. So I will just go click here, expiry scalping, and you will have your 3 minute time frame, you have your stochastic RSI, and you will have this 13 exponential moving average. Hope this is clear, everyone. So now we have to go to only between 2 p.m. to 3 or maximum till 3:15, not more than that. After 3:15, option pricing or option premium doesn't make any sense. Price will move up, but the option premium will not move, because in the last 15 minutes it will just adjust and people are exiting the price, exiting their position, and the price of that option will not move. And at the last moment, the provisional closing will come very different than the last closing price of index. So last 15 minutes, do not trade any option on expiry day. So let me start. So rule number 1, I will write here. Rule number 1, time frame 3 minute, stock RSI and EMA 13. This much you have. Rule 2, trade only between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. or max till 3:15 p.m. on expiry day only. Rule number 3, your trade, or you can say option, should be only in the money. You don't need to get OTM or ITM, but once you get more experience of this, between 2 to 2:30 p.m. you can able to get at the money option, but I still recommend to practice with in the money option. Rule number 4, your trade should not be more than 3 minutes. Means your trade, you don't have to hold the trade more than 3 minutes. Only on one candle you have to enter and exit, that's it. And there is chance that you can go, there will be some signals that you can go till maximum 5 minutes of holding that trade, or you can hold max till 5 minutes only, no matter what happen. This is strict because it will save you from making more loss. So these are at least the, as of now, total 4 rules. There are other rules that I will come back to you while explaining it. Our time frame should be 3 minutes. Indicator should be stochastic RSI as it is. Exponential moving average 13. Trade only between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. or max till 3:15. Only on expiry day. Other day it will work, but you will not get that much of this quick premium change in the scalping. And this in 1 hour, the options will be very much cheaper. So you can even go with 1000 quantity, 600 quantity, 500 quantity. And the trade option, your trade or any option should be only in the money or at the money. And your trade should not be more than 3 minutes. and there is some signal that it will allow you to hold till 5 minutes. But sometimes I'm taking the trade only for like 50 seconds or max to max 1 minute 30 seconds only, and then I'm exiting in this quick scalping. So the near you go to the 3 p.m. your trade hold time will keep on decreasing. So at 2 or 2:15 you will have still more premium and more time, so you will have the bit of a 5 minute or 3 minute of trade. But the near you go to the 3 or 3:15, your trade holding times will become very short. It can becomes in like 8 second 10 seconds trade only. So this is your 4 basic rule. One can take a screenshot, or I will take the screenshot and I will share it in the group as well. Okay, so now the first rule of trading. These are the basic rule of setup and what your trade should be look like. So this month, just the last expiry was on 16th. So here is the 16th of June, and we will go here. So this time is 13:40, something like that, on 16th of June. Sorry, 16th of June. This is almost 10 minutes before the 2 p.m. So you can see 13 EMA on 3 minute will work as a intermediate kind of a support and resistance. Price above, if price is above this, they will take the support from here. If price is below this, they will take the resistance from here. So what are the signals? So first signal is whenever, I will just move a bit up this stochastic, whenever this stochastic RSI is getting below 20 and the higher range is 80. So whenever it is getting 20, it is going below 20, get ready to go into the call option or get ready into the buying trade. And whenever it is going above this 80, then you will exit all your call or all your buy, no matter what, you will exit it, and you will have to get ready to get into your PE trade. Like you will start to get your put, or you can go into the sell trade. So this is just two condition of this stochastic. And then to refine this strategy to avoid or to make a very few loss, we are using this 13 exponential moving average. So for this 13 moving average, like if you are taking the buy entry, and whenever price touches this 13 moving average, and no matter what where this stochastic is, so first rule is that you will exit most of your trade on the long side. Like you are taking the entry from here and this price is touching here, then you will exit most of your long call. So this trade will be like maximum 2 minutes trade, and you will quick entry and quick exit. So here if you see, even I'm just giving you one example, you are trading on almost 60 point candle. So in option, almost you can say 15,400 call option, you could have easily get 20 points here. So per lot it will be like 1,000 rupees profit in just 2 minutes, because this candle gave you 60 points and your call option, which was here 15,400 call, and this call was in the money. You can say it becomes in the money, and it in the money, it will, at least if it is moving 60 points up, the candle is moving 60 point up, so it has to move at least 20 points, or even if it is not moving 20 points, 15 points is enough. And let's say you are trading with 100 quantity, only 2 lots, so 100 quantity into 15, so you are getting 1500 rupees within just 2 minutes of trade, and you are exiting no matter what. You will only enter and exit on your proper signal. So now on this candle, it goes above this 13 exponential moving average, but here you are getting ready to get into the PE side. So let's wait till this 2 p.m. to get enter into the trade. I just explain you here because of just getting understanding of this and this, like entry and exit of stochastic RSI. So now you are observing, like you want to take entry before 2 p.m. or you want to take entry after 2 p.m. So you are observing that now stochastic RSI is going into the overbought zone. So you are getting ready with some of your in the money put option. So your in the money put option will be 15,500 because price is 15,440. Never go with intermediate like 15,550 or 15,450. Never go in Nifty with such strike because they are not liquid. Most of the time very few people are trading in that. So here we will go with 15,500. We will keep ready if it is facing the resistance from this, because here it is giving you the signal, because you see the stochastic RSI already back down in this zone, and then here it is also having this 13 EMA as a resistance average. You can say as a resistance average. So we will enter once it reject from here. Not still not rejecting, and then it is going up. So because of this, we are still not get ready to go into the call because it is still above 80. So there is no chance that we will go into the call option. We will prefer to go with the put option on the clear sign. Still it is above, and this gives the signal of coming back. So it is again working as a resistance. And here almost I think 2 p.m. we will get the signal. Still it is above 80, and still it is above 13 exponential moving average. Still no sign, any signal, no. Yes, it faced the resistance. It tried to go up, it faced the resistance. Now we are getting ready as soon as this goes down to go into the put trade. Perfect. So we are taking the entry quickly here on the short. Here you will need your fast fingers and fast exit. You are keeping very minor stop loss, and let's say if you can achieve the low of till here, or you can hold till here. Whenever it reaches here, you will exit. Here there is no risk reward. You have to quickly enter and quickly exit. Yeah, we are still holding it, even though it hit the stop loss, but we are going with this rule. Let's just remove it, and as soon as it crosses below, we will exit. Okay, it crosses below, we are exiting the trade. So we entered here on this candle, and we exited quickly over here. So how many points we get? So 60 points again. But if you trade in the money, let's say we are getting only 20 points. So again 20 points here, 20 points here. And why we hold this trade? Because here it was giving the signal. So we hold the trade almost 3, 6 and 9, almost 10 to 12 minutes we hold, because here it is giving you the proper signal. So the signal was stochastic RSI was above 90, and it also faced the resistance from 13 exponential moving average. And here you quickly made almost I think if you are deep in the money, 15,500, you could have got 30 points, but let's say 20 points only. So here you get 20 points, here you get 20 points. So far clear to everyone? But better you practice with even paper trade, and then once you get the practice, then start with real money. Right now it looks easy to take the trade because it's quick money in just 2-3 minutes. So that's why I'm only using this after 2 p.m. Only for expiry. And another like here, now you can see it is below this, and now if it is goes inside, so we have to take the target max till here or max till here. So whichever come first, it will be our target for the buy side. Still below 20, so as soon as it enter in this, I will enter and exit over 13 EMA. If it touches 13 EMA, I will exit my buy trade. So here maybe it could be like a quick 6 points, but I will enter with 1000 quantity. 1000 quantity is 6 points, and 6000 is made in just maybe less than 3 minutes. Look, since I was like during the price, you can only see that this only give the reversal. So one like with the trader with my type of experience would have already taken the position and already made the money and exited. Even though it goes above, let it be. Don't go. Now wait for this stochastic RSI to give you the short position again. So it is still going, even the price is going down, but it is still going up. Now it is the signal that you can enter. Let's say if it is entering, giving the chance, we enter because 13 EMA is above. Again, it faced the resistance it gave, and we are holding the trade with 10 point stop loss only, max to max. And again, it is coming back to cost and still going on. And now this is the sign. Here is another sign. When in between in this zone, if this happen, then better to exit with small loss or small profit immediately. You don't have to think too much in this. No matter what happen, you have to exit from the trade, even though it goes after this. And now we will wait for either it come above or it comes down. We will not take new entry in this zone. Let it give the proper signal, because here we are going with a huge quantity. So now we are not taking any trade. We are waiting. So again it is coming above, and now it is still above 13 EMA. So we want this to go down and also go down below 13 EMA. Still going, this stochastic RSI is still going up, and this is almost near to 13 EMA, but the candle looks a bit bearish because it went up and faced the rejection. So I will be like to go in the short now. It gave the breakdown, faced the resistance, and giving the breakdown. So I'm entering again. I will remove this. So I'm entering again in the short trade with 10 rupees stop loss, max to max, and it is going in my favor. And here I'm exiting. So again, if you see here, you won't get much profit, but on this candle, if you see 5-minute rule, then you could exit over here, or then you will exit over here. So this was your entry quick, and max to max, maybe let's say this one, so 14. So maybe you might have get only 3 points in the money option, in the money put option. That 3, not 3, but this is 14. So maybe yeah, 5 points at least you can get. So let's say you are trading with 500 quantity and option price is only 22, then you can quickly get 5 points. So 2500 you can easily make in this much of trade. And then because you are with the huge position, so you don't have to hold it for longer time. And now it is again, yeah, this is the new day. And sorry, this is after 13. I didn't notice the time. So this is after 3:15. So this no entry zone, no trade zone. So we are not entering in this. Okay. Does it look simple or a bit scary? Yes, Vinit sir. Yes, it is. It is. You can also apply for stock, but in the stock you will not get more profit, because in stock it will be like just changing in the pesa, or maybe it will change 1 rupee, 2 rupee. But in day expiry day in option, it will change like 5 rupees, 10 rupees, even 20 rupees. It will change. So in option of index, you will get more profit instead of stock. Stock options are not that much liquid, but only Nifty, Bank Nifty, it will work. Yeah, Satish is asking what about stochastic setting with 7 or instead of 14. Let me just open the setting for you. So this is RSI 14, stochastic 14. So this is simple, and this is 80 is upper band and 20 is lower band. We will not take any new entry in between two. We need proper signal. Looks easy, but that's why scary. Yeah. So that's why you can observe, Devian, like you can observe the movement of your option with reference to the moment, but be make sure that you will only trade in the money. Now let's take another expiry. What happens on the next expiry is 9th. So we will go to 9th. How can I go 9th? Go to 09. Okay, so where is the price here? Okay, here is the price, and we will start from 2 o'clock. Okay, now this is open. This is 9th of June. And now can anyone tell what do you see? Which signal that you are getting, and which trade that you are referring to take? Yes, both. Bank Nifty, Nifty both. Bank Nifty will be much more crazy, but Nifty will be much more easier. Sorry, the Nifty will be much more easier. Bank Nifty will be. I will also give you the example of Bank Nifty. Okay, tell me which side that you want to take, that you want to get prepared, PE or CE? Sorry, PE side per 13 EMA, right? This is 13 EMA, and this is stochastic RSI. Yeah, yes. Just wait for one more moment to give the closing below 13 EMA. Then we will go with full fledged and 10 point of stop loss only. Max to max 10 point. Okay, let's give next candle. No signal. Still no signal for PE. Still no signal for PE. And still no signal. Yes, sir, you can convert. Why not? You can convert. Yes, you can convert. But as per the rule, RSI is not giving you the signal to go into the buy. Yes. But here you can see now it has met the support. But as you get more experience, you will also go. And why this price is moving up? So then what I will do, I will quickly switch on to the 16,400 call option with my open interest indicator. So I will see if the open interest is decreasing, like the shorts are covering or what, because it has been stuck at here on 90. Yes, like when you see that price is moving, but this is stuck at, so you immediately switch. Let's say you are watching all this chart in Zerodha. In Zerodha also there is this. Now here, like you can make another template. Like let me remove this. So if you don't want to switch the chart, you can just switch the indicator. Like I will just make this is open interest. It is not. Yeah, it is not showing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. In trading view, it will not open. Let's say, but you are having the 16,400 call option, so you can just open and you can save this indicator template with like open interest, something like this. And I will just put this like this here. So let's say right now I'm on this expiry scalping. So I'm having this chart, but I have the doubt. So I will immediately open the 16,400 call option chart, and then I will just turn on this open interest, and then only this indicator will be there in Zerodha. Zerodha is also there to select this type of templates. So this is how you can easily switch between the indicators. So here, expiry scalping, again I'm back with my chart. Still I'm waiting if there is any short covering move is over, and then again the short will come or what. Still there is no signal. So this is the signal, but again it take the support from 13 EMA. And look, totally reverse. So here the buyer is total in control. Now you will see in the 16,400 call, here the shorts has been covered and now the short covering started. So when this is not giving you the proper signal, so then you can switch on to the open interest indicator, but in that you have to go with your option chart. And look, this is completely short covering, and look at this move. It is still showing the pressure, but still short covering is happening and the price is keep on moving up. Look, even this RSI is moving up, and now on this red candle it came down, but it is above 13 EMA. And here is another counter trade that you can take, but it is not in the kind of a range, but you can take put on this signal with max target of 13 EMA. But you can see the time is very near till 14:45 to 3 p.m. So last 15 minutes for our trade is there. And again, look, again seller is there now. Since the time is decreasing, so the shorts are very few in the market now. Most of the shorts has been covered, so that's why the buyer strength is decreasing. Even the price is moving up, but the buyer strength is decreasing. Look, again the remaining people are again covering their short. So here there were a lot of chance that you were not able to take any other trade. So here it didn't work because of our stochastic is not giving any proper signal. Look again. Now RSI started to go down because still very few shorts left and keep on moving up and down here. So here there is no proper clear signal than this expiry of this 16th. And if you remember, I said some trades on 16th to do quick one hero zero. I gave you for CE, and then immediately I told to now switch to the PE. So that's what that happened on this 16th of June. But here you can see when this type of scenario happen, then you have to switch your strategy to open interest. We have to enter on the live candle, and we have to enter exit on the live candle. So our target will be from here to here and here to here. That's it. In between, we are not taking any trade. And 13 EMA will be our kind of intermediate level. Above this, it is bullish. Below this, it is bearish. On this stochastic. So here is the signal. We get perfect trade. Sometimes you are also getting the trade earlier than. But here, what will happen that you will not be able to take big quantities because you are going to trade in the money. So the premium will be a bit higher. That's why I'm taking the time to go only after the 2 p.m. Please share your questions or doubt, anyone. Hope I'm not going too fast. That's what I said. On expiry day, it is very cheap. Premium will be very cheap. Like you can get at 18 rupees, 22 rupees. So you will get more quantities. On like let's say on here it will be like 45, 60 rupees, something like that in the money option. So here we only need 3 to 5 minutes, maximum 3 to 5 minutes of trade with bigger quantities to just move 6 points and get more than 3,000, 4,000 rupees profit in just quick minutes. Like if you see on this this move that I recently explained here, this was 16th. So like you see here this move, here you could have easily got this entry, and 50 points is in spot, so at least you can get 20 points, 20 points in your in the money put option. So if you have, let's say, one lot, so 50 rupees, sorry, 50 into 20, so it will be like 1000 rupees of profit per lot. And if you are having more capital and you have the capacity, and let's say you are trading with 1000 quantity, so 1000 quantity into 20 lots, so 20,000 rupees in just quick 6 minutes. Instead of doing all day trading, you just do this trading and exit quickly. But don't get too much excited with this. There are also chance that you will get stop out or you will get lost, and in that you have to be totally strong with your mentality that no matter what if it is hitting the stop loss, I will exit. And there is also chance that you will re-enter it, but do not hold it. If you hold it, then it will become zero. But don't trade without taking your own personal experience on this strategy. Everyone clear about this strategy? It's simple, but once you get used to it, you will be able to make quick money in just few minutes. You will think that I will not trade all day or all week long. I will just come after 2 p.m. in the market, and then I will just take 3 trades like this, and then rest of the week I will be just lying down in the bed or relaxing or doing my own job or work. Yes, money management is very important. You have to also decide like how big quantity you want to take, but better you practice it. Since here the candle are not moving, but try this to spend some time on the live candles. Like here it will just generate the next candle immediately. Like if I just cut it out and then I click next, it will just generate this next candle instead of giving like how the 3 minutes time are moving up and down. So in my last 8 months, it has been proven that 13 EM is working properly on 3 minute time frame. Let's say let me change to 10, and then you will get a bit confused. Why 10? Why not 10? There is no theory. 10 is also there, but it is still like very close. But from my experience, this is the personal experience that I have been trading, I'm using 13. There is no proper reason, but if I have seen in back testing or if I have seen previous more charts, so far of my experience, 13 is working better than any other exponential moving average. There is no clear. This is just practical experience. Because of that, I have choose 13. Before earlier, I was just trading without any moving average, but it was not giving me more advantage. I was still feeling there is something is missing to get the proper signal. And then I was observing all my previous trades, and then I observed it on the chart, and then I was also checking with 20. Then I was also checking with 5, but 5 is too much near, and 20 is a bit not properly giving you the sometimes here, because since the trend was only downside, so it was giving you proper result. But for me, 13, as far as my experience with this strategy of over 8 months, this is working fine for me. Even you can even trade without this moving average. Like it is above, got short once started the year, but still you will feel a bit blind in this. So that's why this strategy will make you more properly using on the direction. Yeah, let's go with any random day. I will take May, April 7th. I will go with 7th April. 4, 7. Okay. Where is the price here? Here we will go with 2 p.m. So this is 7th April, which was also expiry day, and I will cut the mark from here. Let's say as per rule we are going only on the 2. So we can see stochastic RSI is giving you clear sign that that price wants to go up, but here is 13 EMA, and still seller pressure is high. So now we are waiting on this 2 o'clock, we are waiting that we will go into the call, but with the target max till 13 exponential moving average. So still it giving you the signal to enter quickly and take out your profit immediately over here. Here you want fast finger and you enter, you exited over here, no matter what. And again rejected from 13 EMA. And then you will exit here, and now for the short trade you will wait this stochastic RSI to go up and then come back, then you will enter into the put. But here another thing you can do, like you can book partial profit here because this has not been crossed here, but in that scenario your profit chance of getting profit will be a bit lower, like you will get out with less profit. So better to take out most of the profit here and then wait for next candle. So here it is, buyers are there trying to go up, but 13 EMA is there working as a resistance, and look, from the in between it turned down instead of going up. So still in this zone there is no entry, we are not going inside this, we are not taking entry, let it be, we are not taking entry in this zone, we are only taking entry if it is above this. But even if you get experience, you will also take entry over here on this crossover. But as you are starting, so better to start with this and this, like overbought and oversold. Only on this you can take CE and PE entry. Better not to try. Once you judge this and this exponential moving average, you will able to even take the quick 10 points of movement with even 200 quantity. So you can move 10 points and 200 quantity, 2000 quick bucks and exit. But always try into the in the money option only. Again, stop it at 13 exponential moving average, not going above, and this is above in the overbought zone. So we will wait to get into the sell trade, put trade. Okay, so this is activated. So we can take the put trade, why not? With the 10 rupees stop loss. We are taking the, yeah, now let's wait this to come here at least. Now it is turning bad and we are exiting here. But here you can apply with your 3 minutes time frame or 2 minutes, how to say, 3 minute trade or 5 minute trade. Then you can quickly exit. If it is not moving, this one, and you are still also getting few points instead of getting any loss. And again we will wait. In this zone we are not taking any profit, we will wait again to get rejected. But the time is getting near to close at this one 3:15 is near. So here if you want to take trade, be quick and exit. Still 13 EMA, resistance, resistance, resistance. And now here is no chance, better to not give your money. Do not give money, it's almost here. Not interested here, price will, option premium will not move properly. So here only we are able to take this buy trade, exited here, and then one sell trade, but we are exited here. So these two trades we were able to take in between this 1 hour quick trading. Apart from apart from expiry day, yes. Oh yes, it will work. It will work. But why I'm not choosing this to do it on other day? Because the option premium will be high, and I don't want to put much money into that type of trade, because in that you have to at least here you can easily see. Look, this is 6th July, the day before expiry. The expiry was, I think, sorry, this is 6th April. Yeah, April. So here you can see it gave the breakdown of 13 EMA. Stochastic RSI was here. And this is started. Even you can enter on this breakdown and went till here and you can exit it. But here you will have like almost in the money if you go. So the premium will be like 40, 60. Here we are talking about only 20 rupees, 30 rupees. And that you can do the quick scalp. But here you can do, absolutely, why not? Other day you can do for sure. But this is one of the strategy that works perfect to go with small capital and get the proper return. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, Bank Nifty, not Nasdaq Bank. Okay, I will ignore this recent expiry. Let me, any random date of expiry, I will go with March. Let's say March. March, I think 3rd March. 3rd March was the expiry. 0303. Okay, this is 3rd March. So this is your 3rd March expiry, and I will remove the data from here. So we are here, the time is 13:40, so 10 minutes to go for 2 p.m. But you can also take early entry if you are having the signal. Why not? Don't miss the train if you are getting the profit. If you are getting the signal of making the profit, don't miss the train. So here we are waiting, not signal, again up, moving up still, but you are getting ready for put. Right here, as soon as it break down, it give the signal, you enter into the put. About to go down. Now this gives the signal, but this is still above 13 EMA. Okay, entry, right everyone? This is Bank Nifty. What do you think, entry or no entry? Okay, let's wait for one more candle. Entry or no entry? Entry. Okay, let's go. We need 20 points max to max. Let's go. Exit. Already down. Okay, let's say we are exiting somewhere here randomly. So how many points you got? 130 point. So imagine if you are in 35,000 put option, how much point you get? Huh? No, more than that. It moved 140 points almost. No, not that much. No, it's 130 point move. He said 130. Yeah, yeah, at least 40 points you could have captured easily. Minimum 40 points. Minimum 40 points. So this quick trade 40 points, you are done with the day. Other traders are looking for charts. You came just after 2 p.m. or just came after 1:30, having proper lunch. You are focused. Take the trade. Done for the day. Maybe you have more capital, more experience in this strategy. You are just trading on this much of 1 hour all out the day, and you are exiting. Other people are doing trading every day. Yeah, quite enough. And your investment will be also less now. Premium, because premium will be cheaper on last hour of expiry. But make sure that you trade only in the money, or in the worst case you go with at the money. So let's see. Now we are getting prepared for go in the buy trade, because it is on the downside. We will not miss any opportunity until and unless it is giving us. And look, it has almost traveled half of the movement in just one candle, but now it is rejecting from 13 EMA, and boom. Now can we enter into the call? No, because it is in this zone. Halfway, this is in this zone, and we will not enter in this zone. But once you get experience, you will even take the 10 points on quick entry and quick exit. That sometimes I'm doing it like the bread and butter. So now we will wait here to go below this 13, and this to go up and go below. We don't need this in the range. Okay, coming up, and our last time will be 1513, sorry, 315 will be here. So this is, after this, not trade. Can we take entry again? Why not? Take a risk. Because we already made 100 points or maybe 80 points here. Let's say we made 50 points, so we are not in that much of yeah, we are not bothered about giving back 20 points. At least at the end of the day we will be still having 30 points. So let's say, okay, we are out. In just one candle we are out. We gave 20 points back, so at end of the day we are with only 30 points of profit. And now again, would you like to enter? What do you think? Would you like to enter? I think yes. No, I think yes. Why not? We can enter, because this candle shows the rejection from here. We can enter. We can also take again 10 rupees of loss. Why not? We can enter. Why not? and we again take back how many points? 172. Yeah, premium will decay, but we'll choose now. This maybe 35,100, 35,000 put. Yeah, we'll take the put and after 315 no entry. That's why we choose that after 315 the premium will never move properly. So here even if it is moving 30 points, it's also enough, right? So you made the total 30 points. Here you made 50 points. You lost 20 points. Again you made 30 points. So you made total 60 points, and you are done with the day. And you came after finishing all your day work. You came after finishing your lunch, and you just came, take the 3 trades, and you are done. But in actual, you are getting more points if you are in the money, because this move is more than 150 points. This expiry, I will record the chart of option as well, so that it will be easy to check the option chart. I will try to record the option chart. Again, let me take to the 2nd June. This is 2nd June. And here you will see after 2 p.m. Where is it? 2nd June. Okay, here it is. After 2 p.m. Yeah. Look, here it was oversold. It came down, take the support from 13 EMA. And it's still going down, but as per our strategy, it took the support and we exited the quick short trade. But this is above before the 2 p.m. and then we are keep on watching. So here it is a buy signal. Then we can enter it, max till go till here, and then again going up. Yeah, this was not a proper expiry, I think, here. So here we didn't make proper trade, because here it is still above. It moved quickly and then moved back to 13 EMA. And again it was keep on bouncing for 30 EMA. So here, if you are getting confused on this strategy, go with open interest. So you have to also quickly change in between this. Better to open 2 screen with one this indicator and another screen with your call or put option on open interest, with the open interest on it. It will be pretty much easy for you to get the idea. But this is only for the expiry, because I have experienced it with only expiry day in between 2 to 3 p.m. So at least you will get 2 trades or 3 trades. It will be also enough. But don't get attached to these trades. And first, whenever you take this trade, you have to maintain your risk capacity, because if you keep on holding it, there are chances that it will become zero and you will be losing your entire capital, or whatever the capital you take the position with it. So always keep strict stop loss. You will be stepping out on the stop loss and you will be re-entering. Maybe 2 stop loss you will hit, but the next trade will give you good points that will also cover your stop loss that was triggered earlier, and it will also give you the more profit, like we just saw in this bank nifty 2nd March. That one trade gave you points, another trade gave you stop loss, and the next trade gave you more points. So hope it is pretty much easy. Just need your practice to get it through it.